morning and thank you for joining our daily outlook. And today we'll cover the changes in the Bitcoin USD pair. Greg will be sharing insights from our trading desk.
Bitcoin has lost 1.2% in the last session. The RSI collapsed into the negative area. The euro-dollar pair has fallen 0.8% in the last two sessions. The MACD has sunk into negative territory. The sterling-dollar pair has lost 0.9% in the last session. The ADX collapsed into the negative zone. The Aussie-dollar pair has fallen 1.2% in the last two sessions. The MACD has moved sharply into the negative zone.
Thank you for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
Microsoft's Surface Duo is having a rough week, with reports of discoloration, cracked plastic, and broken hinges in online forums. Britain's unemployment rate rose by more than expected to 4.5% in the 3 months up to August, up from 4.1% in the 3 months to July. New partnerships will allow users to trade Bitcoin and Tether using the Lira-backed stablecoin.
Thank you, and now let's go through today's major economic events.
The Eurozone's reserve assets total will be released at 800 GMT. The U.S. continuing jobless claims at 10:30 GMT. The U.S. initial jobless claims at 10:30 GMT. The Canadian ADP non-farm employment change at 10:30 GMT. The U.S. natural gas storage at 12:30 GMT. And the Japanese national CPI at 21:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.